What's up, fellas? Today we're gonna be working on this Ram. We're gonna be replacing the air filter. This is what it looks like. Just by looking at it, you can't really see it. Some people would probably think it's this right here, but if you look closely, it's right there. Let's do it. That way I can take this off. Alright. There you go. Took this bad boy off. Looks like we need to take off a couple 8 mils, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't mind the box. The box is looking a little crazy right now, but we'll fix it right now. Yeah.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yee. Have no fear, Kevin is here. Out because it's gonna come out. Put this aside. This is the guy. Alright. Pretty dirty. Ready to go. Notice this thing moves a lot. I've seen videos before where they put like a little gasket right here in between and it kind of holds it in place a little. So I'm gonna be doing that next. I'm gonna have to find a gasket and then do that. It's gonna be saving me a lot of time. It's in place now. Alright, that'll be it for this customer right here. All he wanted was that air filter replaced. Everything looks good. Located in San Jose, California. If you guys are interested in automotive services, I got a spot where you guys can bring it to me or I can come to you to work. That'll be it for today. Have a good one.